Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today's video is finally going to be my December Boxycharm unboxing. I'm late for a few different reasons, one being I was on vacation and then I became really sick. I'm finally coming out of it. And two, my Boxyluxe, which is the first time I'm getting Boxyluxe, arrived super late to me because of weather. So this month I am going to be reviewing all three tiers of Boxycharm. So it's going to be a little different than my past Boxycharm unboxings and try-ons. I'm going to try to swatch everything for you, but this isn't going to be my normal try-on because I don't know what's in these boxes. It's going to be completely new to me to have all three tiers in front of me. So if you guys want to see what I got in the regular Boxycharm, the Boxycharm Premium, and Boxyluxe for December, then just keep on watching. So I want to start off with the regular Boxycharm box. So with this box, it is $25 a month and it comes with 5 full-size items, one of which you have your choice of an item. So you can pick a guaranteed item in the box. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this tier up. So as always, there's a card in each of these that tells me all of the items and the retail value of the items. And the theme of this month is whimsy. So the first item I see in here is from Storybook Cosmetics. This is the Fairy Tales eyeshadow palette, the Little Red Riding Hood palette. It retails for $35. It's got really cute packaging. It is set up like a little book. So we've got 6 eyeshadows in here. It looks like 3 mattes and 3 shimmers, and it is kind of like a red warm tone theme. I'm gonna go ahead and do some finger swatches of these shimmer shades. So they look very, very pigmented. I have never tried anything from Storybook Cosmetics, but I do see it on Instagram all the time. So there are the shimmer shades out of that palette. Now let me see how these mattes are. We have a brown called Basket. It looks very, very pigmented. We have kind of a peachy neutral called Journey, and then another lighter brown called Woods. They feel so soft and buttery. So there are the mattes. So there are the eyeshadows from this palette. I know that it's Little Red Riding Hood themed, but it actually is nice and Christmassy, so I like that it's in the December box. Next up, we have a little lip exfoliator from Seraphine Botanicals. It's a lip exfoliator with radish extract. I'm not sure what radishes do for your lips, but that's interesting. And it retails for $24. And on the packaging, it has little fairies, so it kind of goes along with the fairy tale theme of the box. Ever since I got back from my vacation to Florida, my lips have been super dry. I don't know if it has to do with the Florida heat or if it has to do with coming down with a cold or both, but I could definitely use more lip exfoliators. I need to do something to try to get them back to their regular softness. Oh wow, that smells really good. I think I'm gonna like that a lot, actually. So next up, we have another skincare product. This is from Elemis. This is the Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil, and this retails for $79. So that's a crazy product to get in Boxycharm. I love discovering new skincare. If you guys don't know, I'm such a skincare freak. Here's what the packaging looks like. It's in a little dropper form. This is a luxurious and lightweight facial oil infused with rose extracts to help smooth the look of fine lines and wrinkles, leaving skin with a luminous glow. It is very, very rosy, so I'm not sure if I'll end up loving it just because rose just is an irritating scent to me. I know some people love it so much, and I wish I was one of those people, but rose bugs me for some reason. Next up, we have a illuminating blusher from Ciate. This is their Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher. It retails for $26. And let's see what shade mine came in. Mine is in the shade Dusk. And I love hearing what you guys got in your box. You know this if you watch my Boxycharm unboxings. My favorite comments to look for are what colors you guys got, because sometimes the colors do vary and I want to know everything. I want to know what colors you guys got. I love Ciate London and I love blush, so I think I'm really gonna like this. This is the shade Dusk. It looks like such a beautiful product. I'm just gonna swirl my finger in this blush. It's a very light sheen. It's not too dramatic. There it is on my middle finger. I think it's going to be beautiful. I don't think it's going to be too dramatic, and I think it will work for my skin tone. So that's very pretty. And then we have one more product out of the regular Boxycharm, and that is the Brow Bar Brow Makeover Kit. And this retails for $30. Mine is in the shade Dark. I do have dark brows. So it looks like it comes with a wax and a couple powders and then a little brow gel and a brush. So that's interesting. The middle shade does look too dark for me, but that brown shade looks like it will work. And then that looks more like a clear, kind of gently tinted brow wax kind of deal. I will definitely give this a go because I love trying new brow products. I love discovering brow products that work for me. But that wraps up the regular Boxycharm. Let me go ahead and total up the values out of this box. All right, so that was everything out of the regular tier of Boxycharm, the $25 tier. Now this did retail at $194. So you're getting $194 worth of product for $25. And a lot of the products in Boxycharm are more high-end and luxury than other makeup subscription brands, which I absolutely love. So I'm going to go ahead and move on to Boxycharm Premium. So Boxycharm Premium is a much bigger box, as you guys can see. This is another monthly subscription, just like the regular Boxycharm. So you can do either or you can do both if you do want to pay for both. If you do pay for both, there was some confusion in my last video because I wasn't sure. It was my first time getting premium. But if you do pay for both, you will get 2 boxes with all different products. They make sure that they send different products in the regular Boxycharm and Boxycharm Premium. So Boxycharm Premium is $35 a month, and you will get 6 to 7 items in here. One of them you can choose, and this has over $175 value every time. The regular Boxycharm has over $125. So let's open this up. The theme is still whimsy. The theme is the same, I believe, across all of the different tiers, but we do have more products in this box, and I can already see a very exciting one, which we'll talk about first. We have the Dose of Colors Hidden Treasures eyeshadow palette in Boxycharm Premium. This is a $50 palette, and I remember when it came out, I wanted it so bad, but it sold out, and then I just never picked it up myself. So this is a really cool product for me to experience getting in this box because it's like a gift. Like, I'm just happy to receive this. So here is the inside of the Hidden Treasures palette. This is a lot of neutrals and wearable shades, which you guys know I love. I feel like maybe one of the reasons I didn't pick this up initially was because of the layout, because it kind of stresses me out. I like everything to be very in line and orderly, and it kind of just screams the opposite of that, but I do think it's a really cool palette and I'm glad to have it. Let me just do a little swatch of a couple of these shades. I do love the Dose of Colors formula. It's been a while since I have tried a palette. The last one I got was out of Boxycharm. Here are some of the shades out of the palette. They are so pigmented, so beautiful, very neutral, and I love them. Next up is another product that I would buy myself. This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Pink Juice Moisturizer. This is a $39 product. So I do already have this in my collection, but I am kind of running low on it because I do really enjoy it. It's a very lightweight moisturizer and it smells really, really good. It smells like candy. And I just love the watermelon line from Glow Recipe. So this is amazing that it's in the box. This is definitely something that I would purchase on my own. And the fact that it's a $39 product and you're getting it inside a $35 box full of other things is pretty amazing. So this is so funny. This is another product that I have had in my cart online for many, many days, and I've just never committed to purchasing it. This is from Bite Beauty. It's their Agave Nighttime Lip Therapy, and this retails for $22, but I've heard so many good things about the Agave line from Bite Beauty that I just cannot wait. I'm going to put this in my bedstand. I'm going to use it every single night, you guys. Oh my god, it smells so good. I just know that I'm gonna love this. I love a good overnight lip treatment. I've been using the Glam Glow Pout Mud for like 3 years, and it's like time for it to go. Like, it's probably expired, so I'm really excited to try this. Next up in the box, we have another skincare product. This is from a brand I've never heard of. This is the Avant Deluxe Hyaluronic Acid Vivifying Face and Eye Night Cream. I know I'm probably pronouncing that wrong. It's probably like just passing over my head. Vivifying. Not sure. This retails for $134, which seems absolutely crazy to me. Like, this better like do my laundry for me. Like, I don't even know what to say. This is a anti-aging moisturizer for face and eye area. And I guess it's probably because of the hyaluronic acid that it's so expensive, but it's supposed to improve the appearance of enlarged pores, uneven skin tone, fine lines, dullness, and a weakened skin surface. I'm going to put some of this on my dry knuckles right now because I'm dealing with like eczema dryness on my knuckles. And let's see if this works like wonders. Next up in Boxycharm Premium, we have a Natasha Denona lip liner pencil. This retails for $18, and I'm pretty surprised to see that it's only $18 from Natasha Denona. I've never bought any of her lip products, but the one that was in my box is L4 Natural Plum. So it looks like kind of like a deeper brownie mauve. There's what the shade looks like. It seems really creamy and nice. I will have to put this to the test pretty soon. I do like wearing like darker nudes during the winter and holiday season. And then last up in this box, we have something from Basic Beauty, which should be my line of makeup. I should have come up with that. This is the Glowy AF Wet Glow Trio. It retails for $30. So the packaging isn't amazing, like it's creasing, but these highlighters look promising. Here they are. I'm gonna swatch them. There is one kind of champagne gold called No Spray Tans. Okay, all right. I judged it by the packaging, but like you can probably see this from back here. They are like creamy, insanely pigmented products. Like what even? Those are crazy. So I swatched them around the lip liner, but they're beaming. So I know that like cream products are becoming more of a rage lately, especially with like the no makeup looks. So I look forward to trying these out and seeing what else the Basic Beauty brand has to offer. I do like discovering new products. That's another reason why I love Boxycharm so much. So that was everything out of Boxycharm Premium. Now this box, the retail value is $293. So you're getting a crazy value. And some of these are products that I absolutely would purchase myself separately. So definitely worth it to me. I really enjoyed the premium box this month, and I'm excited to see what's in Boxyluxe because it's my first time ever receiving Boxyluxe. So Boxyluxe is the biggest, heftiest box of all. It's massive, and it is a quarterly subscription, and it's an upgrade of Boxycharm for that month. So this costs $49.99, and you will get 8+ products out of here, and you can select up to 3 of the items. It's like Christmas morning up in here today. All right, so let me start with the eyeshadow palette. We have an even bigger Storybook Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. This is the Fairy Tales Little Briar Rose palette. It is a $55 palette. I've actually not heard of that fairy tale. But look at that. It's like a full-size book. Ooh. Hello, stunning. So that one is absolutely beautiful. I really love the color story out of this. It kind of took me back, I'm not gonna lie. I don't even want to touch it. I kind of want to do like a first impression on it. But if it's anything like the smaller one, it's gonna be the buttery, amazing formula from the first one. But obviously a lot more variety out of this one because there are 12 shades in here. Next up, we have the Kat Von D Dagger Tattoo Liner. This retails for $20. I don't know what the difference is between the regular tattoo liner and Dagger tattoo liner. It says it's a waterproof liquid liner in the shade Trooper Black. Oh, okay, so the tip is very different. I don't know if you guys can see the tip, but it's not like your typical eyeliner tip. It's kind of like a marker. So there it is. It is super black, but it's got like a brush kind of hair tip. It's a little different than a felt tip, but that will definitely be interesting to try out. Next up, we have a Too Faced Rich Dazzling High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss. Let me see. This retails for $21. Mine is in the shade Crazy Rich, and I want to say that I probably have this in my collection already, so I definitely do. I will be popping this into a giveaway. I don't want to be wasteful because I do already have this product but it's a beautiful kind of multi-dimensional lip gloss. I have tried this product as well, so I'm going to pop this into a giveaway as well. This is the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. It retails for $39. I believe you can find Saturday Skin at Sephora now. I did discover them through like a campaign I did with them on Instagram. The water cream is a really good moisturizer. I just don't need another one. I still haven't worked through my other one, and I have a lot of moisturizers that I reach for, so I will save this for a future giveaway as well. So this product I'm so excited for because I'm gonna give this to my mom. This is a $200 skincare product. It is the QMS Lip Line Corrector. Now, my mom really struggles with lip lines. I've been trying to tell her to go where I go for my lip filler and see if they can like fill them in. But this is hopefully a really good product for $200. It says it's formulated exclusively for the upper lip area. The lip line corrector targets fine lines and wrinkles, and it's specifically designed to hydrate and plump lips for a smoother, youthful appearance. So this is definitely going straight to my mom. I really am excited to see this product. I didn't know there was anything out there specifically for that problem, but awesome. Next, we have a product from In Beauty. It's the Power Up Dual Phase Setting Face Mist. This retails for $32. It looks super weird. I don't know if you guys can see it. It looks like it's got like oils in it that are going to the top. It says it evens out the look of redness, blotchiness, hyperpigmentation, dark spots, and dullness. Oh, I guess when you shake it up, the oil bubbles go away. Oh, I love how fine it is. This is a really fine mist. It smells really good, and I think it's going to be good for enhancing highlighter. Like the setting sprays that just grip to your face and like give you a nice like non-cakey look. I feel like this is going to be one of those. And we have another Ciate London product. This is a highlighter. It's their confetti highlighter. It retails for $32. Let's see what shade I got this time. Oh, confetti is the shade, I think. Oh my god. Look at the detail of this thing. I don't even want to touch this. Like, I want to take a picture of it first. Okay, now that I got a nice little picture, I'll swatch it. Wow, it's going to be like a nice bronzy, kind of rosy color. So there it is on my middle finger. I blended it out a little bit, so I don't know if you guys can see, but it's going to be a really pretty bronze topper for me. I've never got a shower gel before in Boxycharm. So this is a shower gel. It's from Rituals. It's the Ritual of Sakura shower gel. It retails for $9.50. So if I fall in love with it, I can repurchase it. That's not too bad. It says it's a foaming shower gel with organic rice milk and cherry blossom. So I'm not going to try this right now, but I will pop it into my shower. If I fall in love with it, you guys usually know, so I will let you know. And then last up in the box, we have a product from Fresh, which is another high-end skincare brand. This is their Soy Face Cleanser. It retails for $48. I actually just ran out of a Glam Glow cleanser. Sorry, I still can't breathe from my cold. And I needed a cleanser to replace that one. So I will pop this in my bathroom and see how I like it. Oh my god, it smells just like a cucumber mask from a spa. I am going to love using this. It's going to feel so luxurious when I'm just washing my face like in the morning. All right, you guys, so that was Boxyluxe, my final box. This retailed at over $456, which is crazy. But if you remove the $200 that is this fine line wrinkle cream, it's still $256. They promise a value of over $275. So this is a fantastic box. I am very, very happy with it. I'm so excited to have been able to experience Boxyluxe. I'm going to leave all the details for all of the boxes in the description box, and if I got anything wrong, I'm so sorry. It's a lot to put out there. I want to give you guys correct information, so it will be in the description box if you are interested, and I will leave a link. If you guys do sign up through my link, I do get a small commission, just so you guys know. But I'm super happy with this. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe if you like these videos. I do them every single month, and I hope to continue reviewing the different tiers, but I will absolutely work my try-ons into my future Boxycharm unboxings. This one is just super late, and I'm so sorry for that. If you like Boxycharm unboxings, please give this video a thumbs up And don't forget to discuss the items in your box in the comments, because I absolutely love talking to you guys about it. And sometimes you guys stir up conversations of your own down there, and I just love it. Boxycharm is one of my favorite products to review. But that is all that I have to say for today's video. I hope that you guys have an amazing day, an amazing holiday, and hopefully I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.